Hi, good morning to all. Today we are going to see how to derive the expression for kinetic energy K equal to half mv square. So what is the definition for kinetic energy? Energy possessed by the body due to its motion is called kinetic energy. Suppose a moving body has kinetic energy. For example, a moving air has kinetic energy, moving train has kinetic energy, moving any automobile, any vehicle is having kinetic energy, running water running in the river has kinetic energy. So we can say like this. So many examples we can say. So what is kinetic energy? Energy possessed by the body due to its motion is called kinetic energy. So how to derive the expression? Suppose we are considering the body of mass m, which moves with initial velocity v. So normally we are using the symbol u for initial velocity, but here we are saying it moves with velocity v. So initial velocity u is equal to v. So after applying some force, the body comes to the rest. I am applying some force to stop the body. So the body comes to the rest. So when it comes to the rest, what is the final velocity? It becomes 0. So after traveling a distance, yes, it comes to the rest. So how to find the kinetic energy expression? So you know already work done is equal to energy spent by the body. Energy spent by a man or machine or anything. So work done is equal to energy spent. Here work done is equal to kinetic energy. So if you are deriving the expression for work done, you will get the expression for kinetic energy. So you in the last step you will see how to derive the work done by the body. Here, how much force is acting on the body to stop it? So first you calculate force acting on the body. Force acting on the body is equal to mass into acceleration, m into a, mass into acceleration. So what do you mean by acceleration? To find a, we have to use the third equation of motion, v square is equal to u square plus 2as. So by using this we can find a, acceleration. So initially the body moves with velocity v. So initial velocity is v, so v square. Final velocity is 0, so it is 0 square. 2as. So here v square is equal to minus 2as. Otherwise 2as is equal to v square minus v square. Both are same. Both the steps are same only. So a is equal to minus v square by 2s. Here you see a is equal to minus v square by 2s. So the acceleration is equal to minus v square by 2s. If you substitute here, force acting on the body is equal to m into minus v square by 2s. So we are getting mv square by 2s. It is force acting on the body. So now I want work done by the body. Work done by the body is force applied by the body into displacement. So force acting on the body and force applied by the body will be equal, because how much force is applied to stop the body? The same force is acting in turn. According to Newton's law of motion, to every action there is equal and opposite reaction. So how much force is acting on the body? The same amount of force is applied by the body also. But the only thing is the sign will change. So it is force acting on the body, but force applied by the body is equal to mv square by 2s, whereas here it is minus sign, here it will get plus sign. So you need not mention, but in order to understand, I am putting plus. So it is acting on the body, it is applied by the body. So I want to work done by the body. It will give you the kinetic energy. So what do you mean by work done? Let me see one by one. Work done by the body, work done by the body is equal to force applied by the body, force applied by the body into displacement or distance traveled in particular direction. Here force applied by the body is equal to mv square by 2s, mv square by 2s. So acting on the body is minus mv square by 2s, applied by the body is plus mv square by 2s, because force acting by the body on the body is equal to force applied by the body according to Newton's law of motion. To every action there is equal and opposite reaction. So how much force is acting on the body? The same amount of force is applied by the body. The only thing is we are changing the direction, the symbol. it is plus mv square by 2s into displacement is s. Displacement is s. So by cancelling this s and s, we will get mv square by 2. This mv square by 2 can also be written as half mv square. So work done is equal to half mv square. Why we are writing kinetic energy is equal to half mv square? Because the body is under motion. When the body is under motion, the work done is equal to kinetic energy. When it is at rest, the work done is kept in the body as potential energy. When it is moving, the work done is equal to kinetic energy. So since work done is equal to kinetic energy, so we can write kinetic energy is equal to half mv square. Kinetic energy is equal to half mv square. So how we are getting the derivation? You see, first we are deriving force acting on the body. From that we are getting force applied by the body. So by substituting work done by the body is equal to force applied by the body into displacement, we are getting the final expression. Very simple steps. Follow it, learn it. Thank you very much.